The key thing I'm focusing on today is around topics, and that is a real focus of where you can find information and connect experts to the content that you have across your organization. It includes things like topic pages, making knowledge discoverable no matter where you are, and being able to also leverage the knowledge more fully across the entire organization. Just to give you a quick little view, this isn't actually in GA yet, but it was announced. You'll see here that there's a highlight around the word SOAR right here inside of Teams. And what it brings up is called a topic page. And that topic page both includes the name of topic, a little bit of a description, alternate names that might refer to the same thing, people that have either been identified through the course of the AI, they are associated with this topic, either they've created or crafted content associated with it, or they've self-identified. And then the specific types of resource documents that if you had the right security trimming enabled, you would see the ones that you have access to. Now, this is part of the key capabilities rolling out soon, but you'll see that a lot of the other capabilities are already available. So this is what a topic page looks like. I'm going to show you a real one in just a moment. This is one that's mocked up in our click-through demo. It will also include Q&A. So if questions have been asked in Yammer and tagged based on that topic, they'll also be presented and you'll be able to see them and highlight them, rate them. You'll be able to identify ones that are a best answer. The key capabilities on the topic page, though, are informing you around what this topic is, a little bit about the people who are there, and even referencing particular documents that are related to that topic. And they will also surface inside of Teams going forward, where you'll see not just the homepage, but you'll also look at your own topics. You'll be able to manage the topics that you perhaps have published and control, and you'll have more access to them as well.